Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix notifications problem in iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version iOS 17 and facing issues related to notifications in your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix these issues. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys turn on your Wi-Fi and connect your iPhone to strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to click on general and click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version, that is iOS 17.1. so guys, here you can see. So guys, if you have any problem in iOS 17, then guys by doing update iOS 17.1, then guys all the problems will be fixed that you are facing in iOS 17. So guys, after updating your iPhone to iOS 17.1, then guys you need to go back, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys after doing this you need to do some settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, and guys you need to find here notifications, and guys you need to check notifications one by one. So guys, maybe you have turned off notifications in by manually, so guys you can check one by one. So guys, for example, you need to open your Facebook app, and guys allow notifications and turn on these three banners. First one, lock screen, banner and notification center. And guys after this you can open your Instagram and check also, and guys one by one you need to check all the notifications by this method. So guys, by doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.